Michael Tampan, and we are here at the CAS
At the CAS office.
College of Arts and Sciences, and I have here Mr. Ray Carlos Rosales, our first respondent of of our baby thesis. Gandang height. So Ray, divorce is a legal process that shows the ways to the termination of a marriage. The legal process for divorce also involves issues of spousal support, child custody, child support, distribution of property, and division of debt. Through these matters are usually only ancillary or consequential to the dissolution of marriage. So, one is a divorce. And an annulment is a lawful procedure for proclaiming a marriage is null or void. So, legally, wala na dyan. Same thought, pero that's the differences. Like divorce, it is retroactive, and annulment marriage is considered never to have existed. So, wala na yun. Kung annul mo, wala
It
na.
never existed, ever. Forget about it, something.
So, now, are you in favor of divorce or annulment? No. So, which asa ka prefer?
Which do you prefer, divorce or annulment?
Asa ka mo dili ba?
Dili ko sa divorce.
Or sa duha?
Pwede sa duha?
Oh.
Sa duha gid
So, why?
Why? Because ano siya, number one, kala sa kwarta. Kay involved man ang law. Yeah. As such mo, kuha niyo kag lawyers ana. So,
You need to pay the lawyers.
pay ka sa lawyers fee, na ilang mga talent fee, unsa na, sure pa. Kaso pa nimo niya. Basta gasto siya.
And-
Main point niya, gasto. Niya ang sa isa pa sa the point, ganun dili ko kay ganun, bisan to nga tao ta nga masayop ta pili usahay pero kanang kung naamang hina, it goes to show nga gipaundayunan ra ang human weakness instead of enhancing human beings to become more intelligent in their choices of partners.
Yapil gid ko.
Thank you, Ray. So, have a good day. So,
Have a good day and thank you.